I got an early Christmas gift. The Ninja Blast. It will now be going with me on camping trips, car rides, I don't know, anywhere I feel like making a smoothie, foamy hot chocolate. So I'm gonna open it up and I guess I'll have to charge it first and see how it works. It is now out of the box. The only thing that was in the box is the USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Let's see. There is a screw off top. The top is also a flip top. You press the button and it opens so you can drink directly, and it has a built-in handle. The base also just screws right off for easy cleaning. There is a rubber inside of here, and I'm gonna have to go through the manual to see if this is removable, because a lot of times with blenders, people don't take off these rubbers and it get very gunky in and around it. So I'll check for that. So the base by itself has a little bit of weight to it, but it isn't heavy. There is a power button, a start stop button, and if this does not come off, instructions of what all the lights mean on the front here when it's charged. According to the glass, says before first use charge for about 2 hours. So I will do that to make sure it's fully charged first before trying to make something with it. So far, it looks pretty cool. Love the color. And I will charge it and give it a try. It's fully charged, the jar is attached, the arrows line up. There's a minimum liquid line here that we're going to fill with Capri Sun. Greens. And some mixed fruit. And there is a max fill line here, so we won't be going over that line. So add a little bit more of those berries. And these are frozen berries. Okay, well, let's see how this goes. Turn it on. Gotta wait for it to go solid purple. And then press the start button. And they say to shake it while it goes. It doesn't look like I even need to shake it. It is doing a good job of pressing that stuff. I'm going to shake it. Not doing a bad job at all. It's not really loud at all. I mean, it is a blender. Let's see. I think we could use a little bit more liquid in there. But it looks very much like a smoothie, just like a little more of a liquid smoothie than a thick smoothie. Adding some more water. Turn it on again. And there it goes. So every time you press the button, it goes for 30 seconds at a time. But that is usually more than enough to make a smoothie. I'm getting a little cup to pour some into. Just press the button, flip the top, and there you go. Nice, smooth smoothie. Since the rubber inside is not removable, and even though this is sort of water resistant, as in I could rinse it off, the other way to clean it is to put a little bit of water and some soap and just turn it on and have it go for a spin. Oh, I gotta wait for the purple. There we go. And then let it go for a spin, and you can see soapy water, and that's how it's gonna clean under the blade. Okay, I already rinsed it out. Take the jar off, and it's perfectly clean in there and clean inside the jar as well. Yep, so just add a little drop of soap and some water, and that's all you need to get it clean.